Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Like I was saying, I am about to show you guys how to bleach and sub and bleach, however you want to go. You need just a little random brush, no big deal. A little bit of all-purpose flour. I know, weird, right? And your image, and some scissors, bleach in a spray bottle, and or bleach in a paintbrush. So either one. This is my design. Blah blah blah. I do have these PNGs available on my site. So I'm gonna cut out my image. That's first and foremost. Well, actually, the first thing I did was give this a pre-press, just so I can have everything flat and laid out, because we are going to position this as if we're gonna press it like as if it's showtime. So you don't have to get ridiculously close to the edge. It's more about the silhouette, because if you've seen bleach kind of spreads anyways. And so I'm just going here with it. But I want to keep my image as one, so that it won't be a hassle when it's time to, do what it do. And I'm kind of coming in pretty close. What is that? Pretty close. Okay. So boom, boom, boom. Cut your image out. I'm gonna pretty much place it. Step aside for a second just to make sure I got it lined up. And this is the part where knowing me, I'll probably cut this, but whatever. This is the part, where's my brush? Where you grab your brush, dip it in a little bit of flour. I'm gonna be using flour as if it is paint or something today. So, holding my image down, I'm just going to trace the outside. And I think I'm only going to do that to my heart, because my text is black and will show up, obviously. Can you see what I'm doing? Probably not. And if you get it any extra anywhere, it's fine. This is really just to be a guide for you and where you need to focus your bleach. So I pretty much got all, make sure you get all the areas covered. Yeah, I'm not going to, I'll give it a little bit so I know where the top part is, but I'm really probably not gonna bleach this little area. So I'm leaving it. Take that off, boom, that gives me, that is where my image is going to go. So now, and this is would be, I'm using a board that I have from, I forgot to mention, the Dollar Tree board. I'm using this because it was right handy and close to me. So I'm going to fit my shirt over this so I can bleach it. It's actually going to stretch my shirt out a little bit. I could have cut this down to size, but I didn't. So I did not. This is going to give this shirt some stretch. And that's really one of my bags. I mean, because look how crazy that looks. This is not going to get that wide, so no. I'm taking this out. And then I'm going to like just fold it over something. Let's see. Oh. For something like that, the point of this is so that when we do our image, we will not just go straight through to the bottom, like where the heart is. Hold up. Bring this back around. Okay, so this has it not really stretched out of place. This is about the same size as our heart. Okay, so we're back in business, and I only just folded that over, so it's going to give me that little buckle. Sorry for wiggling. Now I'm going to get my bleach. I'm going to do the same paintbrush style technique in that particular area, and then I'm going to just go crazy with it. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I put a little bleach in water. You see it's literally not that much at all in my little alumni cup. So I'm going to lay this down, and really I'm going to use this. Let's see if that starts to bleach. Anyways, I'm going to sit it up here. I'm going to wet the tips of my brush, let the dripping kind of stop if I can. And now that it's ready, start to brush in the particular areas. I probably should have rinsed this off. It looked like this brush has some junk on it, but we'll just deal and we'll see. Yeah, it did. It definitely did. So I'm just dabbing. So you paint however you want to. This literally looks to have makeup on it. I should have planned ahead of time. Oh, that was not the smartest. That's gonna be a new design. Dog it. Oh well, can't undo it. So leaving it. Don't worry, because we were not only doing this inside part, but another thing, if you have this color, it goes to pink, which is kind of cool. Another little dab. And after this, you will have to wash it, obviously, using warm water. Warm water will stop the bleaching process. Give me a little curve. Make sure you finish your main parts. So for me, that would be, as you can see, this heart is already changing colors. Right here is still dry. You need to make sure I have, for me, and what I'm trying to do, make sure I have a, you know, a nice little line. Now this is the part where I'm just gonna take my brush and just kind of sprinkle. I'm doing this motion. No particular organization to it all. Just give it some sprinkles. Like you see here, it takes no time to start turning. And let's see if I can get another little drip thing here from the bottom going down. I guess not, because I was doing a squeezing motion at the time. Whatever. Just give me more of these. Okay, y'all, so after it's being bleached, this is the end result. I'm going to wash it. This has some of this because we did get a little bit, let's see. Because we got a little bit of makeup on my brush, so I'm gonna wash it and we'll see what things come to looking like, and then we'll be pressing. Wash and dry, out. Okay, y'all, so this is my shirt fresh out the washer and dryer. Now, I probably could have washed this again, hit another round, because if you remember, I got a little makeup, or I had a makeup brush that still had makeup on it. So learn from me. Don't do what I do. Get some makeup free. So I am just going to hit like a quick little pre-press. Quick little pre-press. Okay. Now I'm going to get my image. You guys can remember. Let's see. Okay, it lines up pretty perfectly. Pretty perfectly. If I do say so myself. Okay. So, now to grab some parchment paper. Right here. I'm gonna check one more time. Let's see if it looks any different on the camera. Let's see. Let me kind of pinch to make sure our little points kind of line up similarly. Way too much off. Okay, leaving it. Regular sublimation time frames. And I'll be back as soon as this beeps.
Why don't you have some pants on?
Because I'm at home.
No, you know, I don't have something under it. Because you're supposed to have something under it.
I do. Golly, you all in my business. Okay, so I'm loving the turnout. Color still popping. I don't care that my little heart is off, but end result, basically the gist of it all. So yeah, who wants this shirt? This is a surprise little giveaway. So yeah, for my subscribers, I got you. This is how you do it. And this shirt is somebody's. It is a woman's small. So yeah. Holla. Oh, if you guys want these Proud Ally, all this extra stuff, you can definitely get it. Go to my website to download the PNGs, and boom, I like it. I really do. All right, y'all. I'm out.